We're gonna make Black Forest brownies. It's a wonderful combination of sweet and sour cherries and chocolatey, fudgy brownies. I think this is a fun and easy spin on a traditional Black Forest cake.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
So we're gonna start off with a whole bunch of cherries. These are frozen cherries that have been pitted and defrosted. Just a little bit of sugar will macerate these cherries. Let's start working on our brownies. So basically what we've got here is a pot with a small amount of water. We've got a heat-proof bowl on top, and the bottom of this bowl is being evenly and perfectly heated by the steam evaporating in the pan. You can't burn your chocolate if you do a setup like this. Let's get some butter into our bain-marie / double boiler. Got some semi-sweet chocolate here. The smaller they are, the faster they'll melt. We'll give this a little stir. You can already see the chocolate melting. And never will this chocolate burn to the bottom. And that's what's beautiful. We're gonna now mix a whole bunch of ingredients in here, including eggs. Eggs cook when they're really hot. So we need to sort of like temper the chocolate down. So I think we should put all the other ingredients first. Let's start with the sugars. I've got some light brown sugar. White sugar going in, fair bit of it. Beautiful. Traditionally, Black Forest cake has liqueur in it. I'm gonna leave that out because it makes it more affordable, and we're gonna use some vanilla extract instead. So that's about as smooth as I'm gonna get it. Now I feel comfortable cracking raw eggs into this, knowing that they won't scramble. Struggle Whisk 7500. I want homogeny of yolk and white and chocolate. It's time to get our dry ingredients in. We've got cocoa powder here, make it extra chocolatey, some flour, and some kosher salt. I love a dessert that takes place completely in a bowl. Once this comes together, and we are basically there now, we can add in our black cherries. And we're just gonna fold these in gently so that they're homogeneous throughout. Very nice. All right, here we go. Black Forest brownies are going in. I've got some parchment paper here so the whole thing comes out nice and easy. These brownies are gonna go in the oven for 30 minutes till they're cooked through. The brownies are out of the oven, so now they're cooling off and we're gonna work on our topping. So we got some fresh cream. We're gonna whip it with a real whisk. But if you have a stand mixer or an electric hand mixer, you should definitely use that. This is exhausting. Perfect. All right, brownies coming out. We're gonna try to put this whipped cream on in really nice waves. I'm gonna hit it with some dollops throughout, and then I'm gonna spread it around with my spoon. This looks really fantastic. I've got a little extra chocolate left over, so I'm gonna hit it with a vegetable peeler on top. Yes. You can see the rich, velvety awesomeness of the chocolate. It's just 98 cents a serving for our Black Forest brownie. And I've been eating salty things all day, so I can't wait to dig in. Fudgy chocolate brownie into my belly. It's really light. My teeth sink right through it. And it's all balanced out perfectly by those cherries, which are giving us tart and sweetness at the same time. So we've achieved all the flavors of a Black Forest cake, but in a much less fussy recipe. And I'd say that's a win.